What if I told you that a free AI tool called Claude can create an entire digital product for you in a minute and you sell it for $1,000 online? In this video, I am going to show you exactly how, step by step. Let's get into it. My name is Bright and welcome to Liquid Money, where I teach beginners how to make money online with digital products and AI tools. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to use Claude AI to create and sell digital products, even if you have never done it before. Let's go. Come to Google Chrome. So you click, this is a Claude AI. Just sign up with your email. That's all. Okay. It's totally free. So I click. So this is Claude AI. Happy Friday, Bright. This is where you can do all your work. Anything you want Claude AI to do for you, just type it. It will just ask you some few questions. Okay. There is a lot in Claude AI. So what you are going to do right now is give Claude AI a prompt for him to write for us. Just paste this now. Look at it, create content creator planner. So I gave Claude this prompt to write for us. So let's watch what Claude AI will do for us. Click create content creator planner. So look at the amazing work that Claude AI is going to do right now. He's working on it. He's putting everything down. After create a digital product for us now, so we are going to copy it to Canva and start designing it. He's putting it down. As you can see, please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel so that anytime I upload a new video, you will get notified. Okay, thank you so much. I love you. Amazing. You can see Claude AI have put everything down for us. Okay, everything is complete here. So right now we are going to download it. So I now download. Okay, as you can see, click download. So you can see it's downloading. So I want to show you the amazing work that Claude AI just did for us. So he put all of them. He put everything in tight. So look at it here. Let me zoom it for you. Look at it. As you can see, look at this content creator success planner. Okay, look at, he made it section by section for us. Let me zoom it a little bit. The content ideas, content calendar, goal and milestone. As you can see in this video, we are going to do it one after the other because this is complete bundle that he gave to us. Okay, he gave us complete bundle. This is the amazing work of Claude AI. How beautiful it is. We are going to pick one of these and design it. After designing it, but we'll make sure that put all of them in one bundle. I'm going to create content calendar as an example from beginning to finish it. Okay, the video is not going to be too long. Then show you a place where you can sell it. Thank you so much. You just follow me step by step so that I can teach you. You will start making massive money for yourself. Let me explain something for you before we continue. You see this workplace. So if you don't want to use white, you can change any color of your choice. What you have to just do is tap any place around this place. Then you come to this place and click. It will bring out different colors that you can use and design your project. Okay, that's how it works. So I'm going to look for white. Yes, I will look for this one. Then come to this place and lighten it more. Okay, I think I like it like this. Come to text. You delete, you type content calendar, then you stretch it. Let's play ruler. The essence of this ruler is make this work to be on a straight line. Okay, so that we will not make a mistake. So that's the reason why we are putting these rulers. Okay, so that our work will be on a straight line. That is the essence of this ruler. It's very, very important. If you want to know how you can get this ruler, watch my previous videos. You will see how I thought about it. So because of I don't want this video to be too long, we'll now bring it here. Come to position. Okay, it's at the center already. We'll now duplicate. So you type plan, draw it. You minimize it, bring it here. We are going to create content calendar. This is what we are doing. So now I am going to put Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday to Sunday. You give gap 1, 2, 3. Okay, you write Tuesday, bring it here. The next thing we are going to do right now is go to alignment. Alignment is very important in terms of products or anything in Canva. Alignment is very important. This is where you get all the gadgets you need to design what you want to design in Canva. So it's very important. My workplace, everything I'm creating in Canva, I'll make use of this tape. So I'm just trying as much as possible so that this video will not be too long. Okay. So I'll now drag it, bring it here. Okay. Then I come to transparency and reduce it. I using it, I'm lighting it. Okay. Wow. Nice one. Draw this to this place. Bring it here. Good. We are going to make use of lines to design everything remain this place. So what you have to do is come to alignment, you type line. Look at it here, you click it. This line is too thick, so we are going to reduce it. Come to this place, look at this place, you click here. As you can see, it's 4 in thickness, so we have to reduce it to 2. Make it 2, okay? You turn it, straight it. Make sure it's on a straight line, okay? Draw it to this place, okay? Then come up, bring it here, you duplicate. Don't want this video to be too long, so everything have to duplicate all these lines, okay? We have to zoom it so that let's check if there is any mistake we have made. Understand? Now zoom it a little bit, you come back. All the lines are equal. Is to duplicate one line, bring it here. So this time around we are going to turn this line. We are going to turn it like this. Now bring this line here. We are still going to duplicate this line down, okay? You bring it here. Just make sure you cross check all these things to make sure all is on a straight line. So this is how to make your work to be neat. So let's minimize and check. Remember one thing, we still need this tape again. Then you draw this tape, you draw it again, bring it down, okay? Then you widen it, bring it here. Then you come to transparency, you reduce it as well, okay? Let's duplicate this, get down, plane it, just write notes, keep it there. We need calendar, come back to alignment, we'll scroll down, that's what we need. Keep it there. Let's just click this. As you click, you just draw it to position, send it back, okay? Then you come to transparency, you bring it, lighten it, okay? Good. Thank you. So we are done. This is how you can create content calendar, okay? So the next thing we are going to do right away, I'm going to show you how you can export it. Then after exporting it, I will now show you where you can sell your product, okay? So if you want to export this, come to share, click share, you come to download, you click download, so you come to this place. Please, as you can see all this, do not export it in any other place except PDF print so that anybody out there can print it. The next thing you are going to do after you package them as one bundle, you come to Gumroad. So this is the place where you will sell your products, okay? Now let me just walk you through for you to understand what I'm saying. Okay, let's come for discover products. You click. Good. So it will bring you to this place. These are products, people's products, people that have listed their own in Gumroad. Okay, look at their products here. As you can see, look at their prices. This one is price. Look at this one 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 price. Go down, just the same. Okay, so this is the place where you will sell your product. As you can see, if you keep on going down, load more. Look at them, a lot. Okay, so this is a place where you launch your product. So let me show you something. This dashboard. Then you come to products. Look at it. So as you can see the price that this is my product, content creator planner. Are you seeing it? So I launched this one yesterday. So see the price I placed this. Look at the price that I placed this product. Okay, it's in one bundle. Look at it, $47. Are you seeing it? That's the price I place it. So let me go back. Let me show you another one. Look at this one. I placed this one $5. Okay, look at it, $5. As you can see, daily productivity planner. So this is how it's been work. Understand? You launch your product here, everything start happening. So what you have to do is just to register with your email, fill some necessary information, put your bank account, you are good to go. Okay, please, if you love this video, that this video have helped you a lot, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. I love you all. Shalom.